Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video, we have already discussed different kind of modify commands like copy, move and stretch, erase. Now in this video, we are actually going to discuss mirror command. As I always say, first of all, specify your units and limits. And if we go to modify for mirror, as you can see, there will be a mirror command. As you can see, this is our mirror command. If I click here, this will actually ask me to select objects. Actually, all of the modify commands will actually ask to select objects. So I'm just clicking escape. I will draw an object first. For example, I wanted to draw a triangle like, for example, I'm just clicking on this one ortho mode and I'm just clicking on line. I will draw a straight line, this and this one. I'm just turning off this ortho mode. For angular line, I will just click here. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your modify panel, or just go here at the type command option, just click MI, this is the short key, note down and click on enter. Now what is asking to select objects, and if you select like that, it will select actually this line, as actually we have this object broken into different pieces. So first of all, I'm going to select this whole object, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press enter. And he is asking to specify your reference line. As in case I don't have any kind of reference line here, I will select the upper corner of this. Now if you can see, you can do this. If you drag your mouse, you can move it into all direction. If you wanted to drag it here, if you wanted to drag it here, or if you wanted to put it here. And if you turn on ortho mode, it will actually move to only 4 direction, as you can see. But in that case, I am just putting it here, as you can see. If I will just click enter in my workspace, just left click on the mouse button here at the workspace, you will see he is asking option to erase your source object. No, I just want to say that not erase my source object, just pressing a no, and actually the mirror command has been executed. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z again. Now I am drawing with some kind of baseline. For example, I want to just on my ortho mode and just here I want to specify my baseline. And now if I go to here and press on actually mirror, now select my object. I just want to select my complete object and just want to press enter. Now I will give this line as my base point. And now as you can see, this will actually create an object like this. For example, if you draw with different kind of things in AutoCAD, and if you wanted to draw an object quite opposite to the face of this one, you can use mirror command. For example, I am just clicking on here and it's actually asking to erase source object. Now I will erase my source object like that. You can do this in AutoCAD by using mirror command. So that's all for mirror command, and thank you.